Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Lesleyanne here. Today I have a Look Fantastic beauty subscription box to share with you. So the box I'm about to show you is the latest one. If you didn't know anything about, sorry about that noise, that's one of my dogs snoring. I have got 4 dogs in here with me. So you may hear some little noises because they like to join in quite frequently. As I was saying, if you don't know a lot or anything about the Look Fantastic beauty box, it is a monthly subscription box and you can subscribe for 1 month, like on a rolling monthly basis, or you can subscribe for, I think it's 3, 6 or 12 months. If you were to choose either of those, like the 3, 6 or 12 months, then you do actually get it a little tiny bit cheaper. Not a lot, but a little bit. And as we all know, every penny helps. So I'm trying to do this sat in the lounge. I've got a dog here on my lap, and I'm trying to do it without a tripod or anything like that. I'm just going to have to try and show you by holding things to the camera. So wish me luck. So I've got the little edit book here. That tells you all about each individual product. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is this palette, the little eyeshadow palette. It is really, really lovely. It's by Revolution, and it has these colours. I'm going to apologise in advance that this video is in no way going to be at all professional. It's going to be real life drama. Let me open it. Okay, so that's what the colours look like in the palette itself. And I've done a few little swatches. So this is what 4, there you go, there's 4. So this is the top line and the one directly underneath, the lighter one. That is what they look like. They look absolutely stunning, don't they? And the other 2 shades I've just swatched on those 2 fingers there. So they are really lovely. They appear to be really, really buildable as well. So you could have them, apply them as lightly as you wanted to, or, you know, if you wanted to, if you're going out in the evening and you want to make a little bit more of an impact, then you can build this up. Still in my 90s as well, guys. Not the professional at all today, but I wanted to get this out to show you. Next thing I'm going to show you is a makeup brush. Now this makeup brush is by luxybeauty.com. So this is a large angled brush and it is number 504. Really lovely. It's a really nice, soft, it's very soft. It's not like overly soft. You know, some of them are so soft, but this one, it has a little bit more sort of structure to it, but it's still extremely soft. And of course you can see the ankle there, and it has a lot of lovely bristles there. So ideal for here, you know, for blending. Okay, so the next product is this little one. It is by Bondi Sands, and it is a sleep tanning mask for your face. So I'm just going to pop a little bit on now, just so that I can show you. Right, because I'm trying to do this all one-handed. I've probably made the ultimate flipping mistake by dotting it on my face before rubbing it directly in, and also using my hand, not a glove or anything, but hey ho, let's just go with it, shall we? So this is, as I say, it's a sleep mask, and you just pop a little bit on, and it does sort of, you know, obviously it helps to give you that little bit of colour on the gloomiest of days that we could all do with to make ourselves feel a little bit better. So anyway, that's it on. It's not obviously going to have any effect whatsoever at the moment, but yeah, it's gone straight into my skin. So I will probably end up with little tanned fingers later. Who cares? Okay, the next little product came in this wee little box here. It is by Brushworks, and as you can see, they are the little clips for your hair. So they've got a pinky one here with a tiny little star there. Can you see? There you go. And the other one is in this beige colour. So there's a pink one and a beige one. Right, and the next product is by Avon. They are quite pricey, aren't they, the Avon range? This is a collagen primer. So I think this is going to be very interesting. I'll open it and pop it on. We'll see what it's like. Right, so I've just literally laid it on top of the little fake tan drops, the sleep mask with the fake tan in. Feels lovely, really moisturising. Feels really nice. I'll go through like a bit more info with you in a minute, which I'll take from the magazine. But I just wanted to get everything on whilst I can. There we go. Feels lovely. Final product is this Wow product, Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. So magically transform the texture, amazing humidity proofing powers. It's 50 mils, and it says use every 3 to 4 shampoos. Shampoo, condition, towel dry your hair, divide into sections, spray each section liberally, comb through, blow dry each segment using tension. Dryer heat must be used to activate the product. So it's the heat that's going to activate it to give you that nice, smooth, sleek look to your hair. Right, that's all the products. Let me go through the magazine now. Also, I have to say that the inside of the box, these boxes are lovely. I use them for loads of different things. I hang on to them, and sometimes I use them as drawer dividers and all sorts of stuff. But this one says, sparkle your way through party season. So there you go. That's what it says on the inside of the box there. Okay then, so the info I've got on what's in the box is the Revolution Mini Reloaded Palette Velvet Rose. This palette is the formula you know and love in a mini format, perfect for on the go and travel. So yeah, it's such a pretty colour, isn't it? Then we've got the Avon Pro Perfecting Collagen Touch Eclat Primer, lightweight with a silky texture. Yeah, I can vouch for that one. Creates a smooth canvas that's ready for any kind of makeup. Bonsai Sand Pure Sleeping Tanning Mask. Create the illusion of a sun-kissed glow. This self-tanning sleep mask. Love it. Then you can get the full size here, and you can just sort of scan the magazine to tell you where you can get the full sizes. The Wow Colour Dream Coat. Encourage smooth, sleek hairstyles with this anti-humidity spray, a heat-activated spray designed for all hair types. Then you've got the Brushworks No Crease Hair Clips. Useful when it comes to sectioning and styling wet or dry hair. This set of clips contains robust hair clips in soft pastels. And then we've got, you didn't know which brush you were going to be getting, you know, the makeup brush. You would either get one of this or one of that. It was a sort of potluck as to which brush that you received. And then you've got lots of like hints and tips and stuff like that, of makeup tips, which I like to sort of sit and read. I've got my coffee here, hold on. So I've got my coffee, I've got my dogs. Chris, my husband, has just popped down to the doctor's, so I'm here with the dogs at the moment. They're all chilled, very chilled right now. So this is why I wanted to do the video. I didn't want to get up and do it anywhere else because I didn't want to upset the apple cart. It's that time of the day where they've, you know, had their breakfast, they've had their walk, they are wanting to chill right out. So I take advantage when they chill I chill. So I apologise, I really apologise for how this video may turn out today, sort of showing you the contents of the Look Fantastic box. However, it's real life, my lovelies, you know, real life. So sometimes you just have to rock and roll with it, don't you? Right, I'm going to say goodbye. I'll give you a quick scout round of the dogs that I've got in here. So down here on the floor is Freddie. Over there, laying over there, is Teddy. Elsie is there on the sofa. Snuggled down here beside me is Bella. Little Bella, she's 15. They're not forgetting Frankie at all, but he's decided to go into the other room, into the dining room. He's curled up on a blanket and he's had his treat, because they've all just had a treat, and he's asleep, so I'm not going to disturb him either. So yeah, that is where I am with the dogs, having a little chill. So it was an ideal time for me to share with you. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I know I look awful today, but as I say, it's real life, you know. I haven't made any effort for the video at all. It's just been, okay, I've got time to sit down and to share with you. Take care, everyone. See you in the next one. Bye for now. Bye-bye.